Hey bro, listen here. You gotta have patience, man. These things take time, man. It will take some time for them to listen to your videos. Okay, so here we go again. You telling me that those people will like my video? Bro, I've been doing this for 5 months now. It will take some time for them to listen to your music. Just chill, dog. I've only had, bro, I've been doing this for 5 months now. I only have 100 subscribers now. Do you think these guys will watch my videos? These guys, they cannot even give me one click, one subscribe button. They cannot even click on my subscription button. Let me tell you something. I'm 1,000 clicks away from my future. You know what? Let me tell you something, bro. You gotta have patience, bro. Here we go again. Bro, it takes no patience to hit the subscribe button. You know what? Let me tell you what patience is.
Kijk en hij fokken en ze weten nou ik maak no bananistrato. En toen raak ik verliefd op die guy, man, is hij allemaal niet te kom hier te dame.